Introducing the Joey's Extra Large Cake Carrier, Storage Container with Server. This high-quality and durable cake server is designed to store and serve your delicious desserts. With its large capacity, it can easily fit standard 13-inch and oversized bakery items, making it perfect for all your baking needs. Safety is a top priority, and that's why this cake carrier is BPA-free and phthalate-free. You can trust that your food will be stored safely. The dimensions of this cake server are 14 by 14 by 8 inches, providing ample space for your cakes or pies. Carrying and transporting your desserts is made easy with the convenient carry handle and locking cover. You can confidently take your baked goods to parties or family gatherings without worrying about spills or accidents. Cleaning up is a breeze, as this cake carrier is freezer and dishwasher safe. Simply place it in the top rack of your dishwasher and let it do the work for you. No more messy cleanups. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing to ensure it will work with your outlets and voltage. With over 1,749 ratings and an impressive average of 4.7 out of 5 stars, customers love this cake carrier. It is ranked number 12,860 in Kitchen and Dining and is the number 8 bestseller in cake carriers. You can trust that you're getting a quality product that has been well received by customers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to bring home this beautiful cake server. It's the perfect addition to your kitchen and will make storing and serving your desserts a breeze. Get yours today and elevate your baking experience.